In this video, I'll show you how to use a disposable email to receive codes. If you need a quick email address for a sign-up, verification code, free trial, download page, or any website that asks for an email, a disposable inbox can help you protect your personal email and avoid unnecessary spam. First, open your web browser and go to InstantMail.online. Once the page loads, you'll see a temporary email address ready to use. You don't need to create an account, add a password, or enter your personal information. The email is generated for you, so you can start using it right away. Next, copy the disposable email address shown on the screen. This is the email you'll use to receive your code. After copying it, go to the website or app where you need to sign up, verify an account, or receive a confirmation message. Paste the disposable email into the email field and continue with the registration process. Once the website sends the code, return to InstantMail.online and check the inbox on the page. In most cases, the verification email should appear there after a few moments. Open the message and look for the code, confirmation link, or activation button sent by the website. If the email doesn't arrive immediately, wait a little and refresh the inbox. Some websites take a few seconds or minutes to send verification emails. Also, make sure you copy the temporary email address correctly, because even one wrong character can prevent the code from arriving. After receiving the code, copy it from the email and paste it back into the website or app that requested verification. Once the code is accepted, you can continue using the service without exposing your real personal email address. Disposable emails are very useful for simple and temporary tasks. For example, you can use them when signing up for newsletters, testing websites, downloading files, accessing free tools, or avoiding spam from websites you don't fully trust yet. Just remember that disposable emails should not be used for important accounts. Don't use them for banking, business accounts, social media profiles, payment apps, or anything you may need to recover later. Temporary inboxes are made for short-term use, not permanent account access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use a disposable email to receive codes. This is a fast and simple way to protect your main inbox, receive verification messages, and avoid spam when signing up online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tech tutorials, online tools, and step-by-step guides.